Dear viewers, next we move on to the addition of simple numbers with tens, hundreds and thousand. This is another way of, that is a mental maths, that is you can calculate this number in your mind itself. No need of paper and pen. How to do this I will explain you. That is simple addition with tens, hundreds and thousand. Let me see. That is first sum. That is 9031 plus 10. And second sum, that is 7050 plus 10. And third one, that is 9003 plus 10. And fourth one, 5817 plus 10. And fifth one, that is 2086 plus 10. All this number only adding with the number, that is 10. In your grade level first standard, you remember that is skip counting of 10. Already we have learned in our first standard, that is skip counting of 2s, 3s, 5s and 10. Let me recap those syllabus from our grade level first standard. That is very easy. For skip counting means 2 means 2, 4, 6, 8 like that, 30, 32, 34. And counting by 3s means you have to skip up the number from 3, 6, 9, 12 like that. And 5, for 5, that is you have to calculate skip counting of, that is 20 means 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, it goes on. So similar to the top here, that is simply, this is a all 4 digit number. Whether it is a 4 digit number or 5 digit number, adding with 10 means it's a simple technique to find out the answer. Listen here children, observe that you have to change the number of in tens place number to the next 10. Here all these number, this is a tens place itself. You can understand this. Because of this, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So focus on your tens place number. Here the tens place number is 3 and here 5 and here 0 and here 1 and here 8. So change the tens place number to the next 10 for adding with 10. 10 plus 10 means 20. 60 plus 10 means 70. So 4 digit number, that is 9031 plus 10 for adding with 10. So focus on your tens place number and change this 3 to the next 10 means, that is 4. After 3, that is 4. So your answer is simply, that is write down, that is 9041. Tens number is 3. So next 10 is 31, that is 41. This is the answer for this one. That is 9031 plus 10 gives 9041. Simple, you have to write down without your paper and pencil. You can calculate in your mind and set this answer, say this answer, that is 9041. And here, that is focus on your tens place number. Here the tens place number is 5. With adding with 10. So the next number, that is next tens number of 5 is 6. That is 7050. Write down this answer, 7060. So 7050 plus 10, that is 5. Next 10 means 6. And 9003. For here this is a 0. So next 10 is 1. So 9013. And here 5817. So here the tens is 1. So next 10 is 2. So 5827. Children. And 2086. For next 10, that is 9. That is 2096. And find out this answer here. That is 2086 plus 10 means 6, 8 plus 1 9 and 0 and 2. This is the answer. So this is a simple way to add, that is any 0 ending number. Now we are doing addition with 10. So simply you have to next tens number in your tens number. Okay, and let me move on to the next addition sum, that is 100. Okay, similarly now we are doing with 100. Okay, that is for example sum, that is 6000 plus that is 100, sorry, okay, and find out the answer. And here 2018 plus 100 and 3218 plus 100, and that is 10,000 plus 100, and here 17,118 plus 100. More than it, if it is 4 digit number, 3 digit or 5 digit, anything else. Okay, so adding with 100. Okay, now you have to focus on your 100 place number, children. Okay, so simple. This is a similar to that of addition tens. Okay, let me discuss in previous sum. Okay, now this is a 100, addition with 100. So focus on your 100 digit number, that means ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So this is a 100 place number in your, that is ones, tens, 100 and ones, tens, 100. So let me move on to the next 100. So next number. Okay, here that is 0. So that is 6100. That is a 0 after number, that is 1. So 6000 plus 100, 6100. And the second number, this is a 100 place number, here also that is 0. So next 10 means you put 1. So 2118. And next one, that is 3218. So that is 2. Okay, here this is a 100 place number. So next 100 number. So next number means 3. Okay, so 3380, and that is ones, tens, 100. So next number, that is 1. So 10,000, that is 100. Change the number, that is 1. Next 100, and here that is 1. So you put 2 here. So 17. Next 100, that is 218. You have to check this sum, that is 17118 plus 100. Your answer, that is, so 17,218. So this is a way addition of, that is addition with 100. Focus on the 100 place number and write down this next 100. So you no need of paper and pencil. You can write down the answer within a minute. So it saves your time and simple calculation and accuracy and speed. So this is a technique. So for 100, change the next 100 place and write down this answer. Okay, next we move on to the, that is addition with 1000. Let me see. Dear children, next we move on to the addition with 1000. Okay, we have already seen, that is addition with 10 and 100. Now we are going to do addition with 1000. Okay, let me do with example sums, plus that is 1000. Okay, okay, let me do the answer. That is, now you should focus on the 1000 place. Okay, simply write down the next 1000. Okay, here that is ones, tens, 1000, and let me do, if it is a 5 digit number. Okay, anything else, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000. So this is a 1000 place, and here this is a ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, this is a 1000 place value, and here this is a 1000 place and 1000 place. This is a 1000 place. So that is 3033. Addition with 1000. So simply write down this next 1000 means what you have to write here, children. That is 3 plus 1. Next number, that is 4. Okay, change the 1000 place only. So 4033. Change this 1000 place number. Here 1000 place number is 2. You have to write this next 1000 means 3. So 13017. That is 13,017. Okay. And here, that is here 8. 1000 place, what's the number here? This is 8. So 9200. Okay. And here also 9 plus 1000, that is 10,003. Okay. What's the number here? That is 9003 plus 1000 means, okay, 300, 9 plus 1, 10. So answer is 10,003. Okay, and here 1000 place number is 3. So next to 1000 means 4. So 14,015. So this is a way by adding, that is addition with tens, hundreds and thousand, and it will be goes on to 10,000 and lakh. You have to change the, that is 1000 means change the number in 1000 place number. Okay, to the next you have to write the added with 1000 means change the number of 1000 place next to 1000. If it is 100, change the 100 place number to the next 100. And if add with 10, so change the tens place number to the next 10. Okay, so this is a technique to easy way to write addition with tens, and that is zero ending number. Okay, let me move on to the next topic, that is rounding off. What is meant by rounding off? Okay, let me see. Okay, our topic is rounding off. Okay, that is what is meant by rounding off. Means because that is addition of, that is given real number, we have to estimate the number and estimation sum. This is otherwise called, that is estimation sum. That is, it is meant by, I will explain with example how to do, that is rounding off with nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Okay, so first rounding off by 10. Okay, let me see rounding off by 10. Okay, so we can we will go to change the number similar to that of our previous addition with zero ending number. This is also similar to that of, but you have to check the last digit number. Okay, I will explain with example, that is 1230. Okay, 1237. Okay, so the question is rounding off by nearest 10. Okay, how to do this? First, here the tens place number is this one. Okay, so for this ones, tens, 100 and 1000 children. So this is a tens place number, isn't it? Okay, and observe this digit. Okay, this is a ones place, last digit. If the number is more than 5, okay, that is 5 is more than, that is 5 or more than 5, you have to write down this next 10 number. Okay, suppose the last digit number is lesser than 5, okay, you won't change this next number. By this, write down the same number. I will show you the answer, because this is the answer of rounding off by 10. That means this last digit is, that is 7 is, okay, bigger than 5, that is more than 5. So you have to write down this next 10. Next 10 means 3 plus 1, 4, that is 40. So 1240 is the answer, rounding off number. Okay, that is 7. So this will change into 40, because observe this number, whether it is, if it is more than 5, change the number to the next 10. Okay, I will show you the second sum similar to that for rounding off by 10. that is 1, 5, okay, that is 3, 2. Okay, this is a number. So this is for tens place number, this is a tens place number, that is 3. And observe this large digit number, that here it is, this is 2. Okay, 2 is, okay, 2 is lesser than 5. Okay, so write down the same 10. Okay, don't goes off to the next 10 because here is more than 5. So write down this next 10. But here the last number is 2. 2 is lesser than 5. So write down this same 10. So same 10 means 1, 5, same 10s, that is 30. So this is the nearest rounding of the tens number. I will show you one more example, that is 1, 6, that is 8, 8. Okay, this is a question, that is 1688. Okay, and observe this is a tens place number because our sum is rounding off by 10 and the last digit is 5 is more than, sorry, 8 is greater than 5. So last digit is more than 5. So you have to change this next 10. So that is 1690. Okay, write down this next 10 because this is more than 5. And one more example for you children, that is 1004, okay, 5, 1. Okay, so similar to that, this is a tens place number. Here the tens place number is 5 children and the last number is 1. 1 is, that is lesser than 5. So write down this same 10. If the last digit is lesser than 5, write down the same 10 children. So that is 1, 4, that is same 10s means write down the 5, 10. So this is a rounding off by 10. Okay, and let me do same sum, that is rounding off by 100. Okay, let me do this. Same question you have to take for this and change the answer only. Okay, and our question is rounding off by, that is 100. Okay, here first you have to observe this 100 place number because our question is rounding off by 100. So first observe this 3. So 3 is lesser than 5. You have to, for tens place you have to check this number. For 100 you have to check this nearest 10. So nearest 10. For take down this 3. So 3 is, okay, lesser than 5. So write down this same 100. So answer is 1200. Okay, do you understand? I will repeat once again children. For rounding off by 100, observe the 100 place number. Okay, and check out this nearest 10. So observe this number, that is 3 is lesser than 5. So write down this same 100. And here also that is 3. Okay, 3 is lesser than 5. So write down this same 100. So that is 1500. And here that is a 6. And observe this number 5 is, that is 8 is greater than 5. So write down this next 100, that is 1700. Rounding off the number 1688, the answer will be 1700. And here that is a 100 place number, that is 4. So observe this 5 and more than 5 means you have to change this number. Here 5 and more than, okay, that is 5 and more than 5. So that is 5. So you can change the number to the next 100 children. So that is you have to write 4 means next, that is 500. Okay, so this is a method by, that is rounding off by 100. Okay, and next we move on to the rounding off by 1000 with same question number. Let me change the answer. Rounding off by 1000. Okay, here we have to change the number. Okay. Okay, so focus on the 1000 place number for rounding off by 1000. Okay, already we did for similar to that, a similar method, that is for 10 and 100, but you should observe the 1000 place number, that is 2, here 3, here 4 and 5. Okay, so now you should observe the nearest 10 number, that is 2. So 2 is lesser than 5. Okay, so write down this same 1000, so that is 2000. Okay, and for this 3, nearest 10, that is 5, and more than 5 means you have to change the next 1000. So that is 3, next 1000 means 4, that is 1000, 14,000. Okay, 5 digit number. So 13,532 is changed into 14,000. Okay, and here ones, tens, 100,000. So next number, that is more than, that is 6 is greater than 5. So change the next 1000, that means 5,000. Okay, and here that is 5,451. Okay, 5,451. So change this number 6. Okay, because this 4 is less than 5, so put the same 1000, that is 15,000. Okay, 4 is lesser than 5. So write down the same 1000 here, so that is 15,000. So this is a method to rounding off by 10, 100 and 1000. And next we move on to the simple estimation sum. Okay, let me do. Okay, with example, that is called estimation sum. Our topic is estimation. For estimation sum, I am going to write one question. Okay, I will explain with one example, that is a basket contains that is 320 apples and 970 oranges. How many number of total fruits in the basket? Okay, this is a question. A basket contains 320 apples and 970 oranges. How many number of total fruits in the basket? So, what is meant by estimation sum? You want to add the real numbers. That is, you should not add 320 and 970. First, you have to rounding off the number. That is a approximate, estimate the number. How to do this? For 320, you have to rounding off, that is 300, because for estimation, that is number of apples, that is apples estimation value, that is 320. So rounding off to the nearest 10. Okay, so nearest 10 means that is 0 lesser than 5. So write down the same number. Okay, same 10, that is 300. Okay, 300, rounding off 100. So observe this 2 is less than 5. So write down the same 100, that is 300. And here that is 970. Okay, 970, that is here, that is 70. Okay, and this is rounding off 900, that is 7 is more than 5. Okay, so next 100. Next 100 means 1000. So by adding this, that is 003,000. So total number of fruits, that is 1300. But real value means, again you have to add this number 320 and plus 970. Add this number, that is 0, 7 plus 2, 9, and that is 9 plus 3, 12. That is 1290, here 1300. There is a little bit change only for this total value. So this is called estimation sum. Because of this is a calculation it takes only few minutes, and there is no about forward changes, the real answer and the estimated value. So estimation sum is for speed calculation, and it saves times also. Okay, so you can do this by rounding off method. You can add simple numbers. This is called estimation sum. To prevent time, that is, it takes more time and accuracy, but you have to calculate the number only by estimating nearest 100 and nearest 1000. That is 9 and plus 10. So somewhat little bit change, that is 1290, here that is 1300. So this is called estimation sum. This method is used for saving time and calculation, that is, it improves your calculation speed. You can do this within few minutes, you can calculate this, and this is called estimation sum. Okay.